Q.11 What were the reasons for which fundamental duties have repeatedly been called ineffective? Highlight the need and importance of incorporating FDS in Indian Constitution. GS2. Answer. 42nd Constitutional Amendment to the Constitution added a new Part E to the Constitution. This part contained the fundamental duties. Why FDS are called ineffective? 1. They are non-justiciable as the Constitution does not provide for their direct enforcement by the courts. 2. There is no legal sanction against their violation life in the case of fundamental rights. 3. The list of duties is not exhaustive as it does not cover other important duties like casting vote, paying taxes, family planning and so on. 4. Some of the duties are vague, ambiguous and difficult to be understood by the common man. They are used to abuse people who choose to interpret the duties differently. 5. Though Swaramsing Committee had suggested for penalty or punishment for the non-performance of fundamental duties, it was not incorporated. Need for incorporating FDS in Constitution. 1. Swaramsing Committee felt that citizens should become conscious that in addition to the enjoyment of rights, they also have certain duties to perform as well. 2. They serve as a reminder to the citizens that while enjoying their rights, they should also be conscious of duties they owe to their country, their society and to their fellow citizens. 3. They serve as a source of inspiration for the citizens and promote a sense of discipline and commitment among them. They create the feeling that the citizens are not mere spectators but active participants in the realization of national goals. Importance of FDS in Constitution. 1. Cherishing noble ideals of freedom struggle is a moral precept and respecting the Constitution, national flag and national anthem is a civic duty. 2. They contain a codification of tasks integral to the Indian way of life. 3. They serve as a warning against the anti-national and anti-social activities like burning the national flag, destroying public property, and so on. 4. They help the courts in examining and determining the constitutional validity of a law. In 1992, SC ruled that in determining the constitutionality of any law, if a court finds that the law in question seeks to give effect to a FD, it may consider such law to be reasonable in relation to Article 14 Equality before law or Article 19(6) Freedoms and thus save such law from unconstitutionality. 5. The moral value of fundamental duties would be not to smother rights but to establish a democratic balance by making the people conscious of their duties equally as they are